Have you ever felt your emotions like this? That quiet stress, the silent weight you keep pushing down until it explodes, and suddenly you're no longer yourself. In this video, we'll break down what emotions are, why emotional control is essential, and how to practice it in your life.
Through the lens of Mob Psycho 100 and the story of Shigeo Kageyama, a boy with unimaginable power who chooses restraint over destruction. And I'll share my personal reflections as well. So together, we can grow.
My name is Shigeo Kageyama, but people call me Mob. I'm ordinary, quiet, emotionless, or at least, that's how it looks. Inside, I'm a storm. Ever since I was a kid, I had powers. They said I was special, but I didn't feel strong. Every time I lost control, someone got hurt. Power never made me strong. Control did. Emotional control isn't about holding it all in. It's about holding it together. People think holding back is weak. But try choosing not to lash out when you're hurting. That's the real strength. Emotions build like pressure in a kettle. Stress is the fire, emotion is the water, your mind is the kettle. Too much heat, and it has to release. The longer you suppress, the louder the explosion. Suppressing emotions doesn't make you strong. Understanding when and how to release them does. I'm not a robot. I get angry. I get scared. I want to cry. But I've learned something. You don't have to act on every emotion. You can feel deeply and still choose not to destroy anything or anyone. That's not denial. That's growth. Feel everything, but respond with intention, not impulse. Emotional control isn't coldness, it's clarity. It's choosing peace even when chaos is inside you. I didn't want to be a weapon. I wanted to be me. You're not weak for feeling. You're human. And that's what makes your growth powerful.
So here's the truth. Just like Mob, we don't want to hurt the people we love when we lose control. That's why emotional control matters. Not just for others, but for ourselves. Imagine being overwhelmed. Then your words or actions hurt someone close to you. That pain cuts deeper than whatever caused your emotion. That's the moment we all fear. But listen, emotional release is normal. Cry, scream, sit in silence. Just do it with awareness. Control is not the absence of emotion. It's the relationship you build with it. Don't avoid your emotions. Talk to them and let them teach you. Start by observing. What triggers your emotions? What stories do you tell yourself when you feel angry, sad, and anxious? Then pause. Don't react right away. Breathe. Give the feeling a name. That's the first step to mastering it. You can't control what you don't understand, so seek understanding first. Shigeo Kageyama had every reason to explode. Psychic abilities, trauma, pressure, loneliness. But he didn't let power define him. He chose emotional control, not for glory, but for peace. And so can you. Not everyone has psychic powers, but we all carry something powerful inside. Choose how you use it, and you'll discover strength far greater than power. the strength to be at peace with yourself. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments. And if you're new here, subscribe to Mindelure. We dive deep into anime, psychology, and self-mastery. And if you feel like giving up, watch the next video I'm recommending. It's worth your time. This is Mindelure, and this is just the beginning.